We have some good news for you. Everybody get this video to 1,000 likes, share the video, and comment freedom for Ninjaman. We have some good news, some breaking news, some alerts, some Justin, whatever news you want to call it. Virtual TV is here with some good news. And this is coming in the form of Ninjaman, aka Desmond Valentine. Okay? Protection Fridays continues, everybody. Remember, stay protected. Remember, stay safe. Remember, drink responsibly, drive responsibly. And of course, stay tuned. Okay? Just to make you know what I'm going. This is the latest news for Ninjaman. Now, for the past couple of days, I have been giving you updates pertaining to the Gargamel. Well, not the Gargamel, but the Gargan. You understand? Yeah. For the past couple of days. No. The date is set. The time is set. The specifics are in. The details have dropped. And I am going to give you all the news that you need for here right now. This is great news, everybody. Yes, everybody flood the comment section with freedom. And get this video to 1,000 likes, my people. Alright? Yes, Vybz Kartel's release was a national holiday. Dante Brooks was greeted by love. No. The country is awaiting Ninjaman. Without a doubt. Yeah. I will give you what is happening to what is going on. The headline is Ninjaman's return. Yes. Appeal court now gives us update. Yes, me have the date, me have the time, me have the place, me have everything for you. Drop a like on the video, share the video, my people, subscribe to the channel, and make everybody don't know say a virtual TV or one-stop shop. Breaking news and all updated information. Trust me. So what am I gonna do, my people? Of course. I'm gonna pause for a little minute. You understand? I'm gonna like and share the video. 10 seconds. Go ahead. Yeah, man, don't like the video, everybody. 10 seconds. Everybody get them pressing on the like button. Comment inside of the comment section. Freedom. And now that you do that now, we're going to move forward. Yes. The appeal court details are now here. Yes. The release date has been set. For the details, June 2nd is the day. Yeah, June 2nd. Let's get into the specifics. Now, of course, we have been giving you what is happening in terms of what is going on with Ninjaman. First, we're going to get in we're going to backtrack a little bit, and then we get into the major specifics, right? No, Ninjaman suffered 2 losses. Valoridita Robertson, who he described as a second mother, and Coco T, 2 of them passing there, it never takes so well. You understand? He has been described right now as heartbroken with his musical best friend and his second mother, Valoridita Robertson, who was in charge of his case. Alright, according to Ninjaman, the relationship with him and Valoridita Robertson, it is more than just lawyer and client relationship. He says that it was just more than lawyer and client relationships. Ninjaman's lawyer strongly believes that Ninjaman is innocent, okay, and that his conviction will be overturned. Valoridita Robertson was spearheading his case, but unfortunately she passed away, everybody. You understand? She died at the age of 70 or 72, somewhere near there, I think, yeah, but it's a tragedy. She has been described as a pioneer for the justice profession or the legal profession, you understand? So, you know, they have described her as such, an exceptional person. But we're not going to talk about that right now, my people. We're going to talk about Ninjaman's time, date, place, and what is happening in details. Incarcerated dancehall star Ninjaman will return. He will return. And that is according to the Home Circuit Court. And that date is June 2nd. His legal team pressed ahead with the appeal of his conviction. Attorney at law, I want you to listen to his lawyers who are now representing him, because Valoridita Robertson did not get to represent him because she passed away. So he has to now secure new lawyers, of course. Now, one of the attorneys representing Ninjaman is Robert Fletcher. Okay? Get familiar with the name there. You know, what he's doing now is what Valoridita Robertson was or is supposed to do. She was going to get to that point, but she never make, you know, apparently the journey cut short. But Robert Fletcher, which is Ninjaman's lawyer, confirmed that the Border Clash DJ will return to court, but did not reveal details about the strategy of the legal team. Rightfully so. Let's go further. Now, the team is going through the transcripts now and noting the discrepancies and conflict testimonies so they can mount a formidable defense, a source told the Observer. Now, Ninjaman's murder appeal was impacted negatively by the sudden illness and passing of his lead attorney, Valrenita Robertson, who passed at the age of 71 years old. She was described as a powerhouse who was spearheading Ninjaman's appeal. Robertson fell ill last October and passed away very peacefully on February 25th this year, surrounded by her family. Very sad. Very, 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 very sad. Everybody, drop drop RIP for Valrenita Robertson real quick. Everybody inside the comment section right now, drop RIP for Valrenita Robertson. Flood out the comment section. She was once Vybz Kartel's lawyer. You understand? So she's very well known. Everybody drop RIP. Drop a comment on the video for Valrenita Robertson. Same way. Now reported that she's now her space has now been taken by Robert Fletcher. So get familiar with that name there as we go forward from here. Now, a letter penned from his prison cell, Ninjaman said the Nita Robertson passing has left him heartbroken. Now, in December of last year, we were scheduled for a hearing. 2 weeks before the hearing, I was surprised to find out that she had fallen ill. Next, she was gone. I am heartbroken because not only have I lost a great lawyer friend, but we all lost a phenomenal woman, a woman whose legacy will continue to live in those who were inspired by her greatness. Ninjaman wrote. Nita Robertson had intended to challenge the dancehall DJ's conviction on the grounds that he did not receive a fair trial, which is a constitutional entitlement of every citizen. So on that note, they're going to carry on progress with Valrenita Robertson work along with other grounds as well. That was the one of the parts that she was spearheading. She's going to be her documentation will be taken over by Robert Fletcher. Now, in an interview a year ago, Nita Robertson had pointed out to the length of the delays in the case, which had seen 17 trial dates and 23 mentions before the actual trial. It is alleged that on the day in question in March 2009, now deceased Ricardo Johnson was sweeping his yard in the company of a friend on Mall Road, St. Andrew, when a motor car he armed with 3 men stopped aboard drove up. Right now, according to them, an argument developed between Johnson and friends and the men who left but later returned with guns blazing. Now, Johnson was fatally big stoned in the incident. Ninjaman turned himself into the police shortly after the incident upon hearing that he was being sought as a person of interest in the case. Now, the trial involved 7 witnesses, including one who testified that a group of men led by Ninjaman allegedly entered the yard, and on the day in question, it was further alleged that the DJ fired 2 shots at the witness allegedly, and he had fled the premises. Okay, now the length of the delays deprived him of his alibi witness, and that would have made a great difference. Instead, we have to challenge the credibility of the prosecution's witness without being able to produce witness to substantiate Ninjaman's argument that he was in Mandeville at the time of the incident. Then lawyer Valrenita Robertson said at the time. Okay, Nita Robertson also believed that Ninjaman's fame and past reputation weighed heavily on the decision by a 7-member jury. The Crown relied heavily on the concept of common design in to infer that three convicted men are acting together in a common design which was aimed at using firearms to cause grievous body harm to Johnson. There you go. Drop a like on the video, share the video with people. Protection Fridays continues.